With 15,000 watts of power, this generator is powerful enough to run an entire home plus a shop at the same time. This phenomenal generator is designed with a wide variety of outlets, including a transfer switch ready 50 amp outlet. It also includes the MX2 power boost for appliances and RVs. There are no plastic parts, so it's heavy duty all metal frame and power panel. It's 100% copper wiring, so its life extends the normal lifespan of your average generator. It easily starts with key or push button start. It has no flat tires and is light enough to move around easily, and the handles fold in as shown here for easy storage when not in use. If you're looking for a high quality generator, I highly recommend this one.